Thank you for tuning into Healthomatic for automatic health, fitness and beauty updates, tips, and advice from experts around the globe. Introducing 30 surprising uses for apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a kitchen staple that has several impressive health benefits. Interestingly, it also has a ton of different beauty, household and cooking uses. Apple cider vinegar uses include cleaning, washing hair, preserving food and improving skin function. Here are 30 ways to use apple cider vinegar. 1. To lower blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar is claimed to help diabetics control their blood sugar levels. Some studies have shown that consuming vinegar after a high-carb meal can improve insulin sensitivity by as much as 34% and reduce blood sugar levels significantly. However, if you're on medication for diabetes, you should check with your doctor before taking apple cider vinegar. 2. To help you feel full. Apple cider vinegar is sometimes recommended as a weight loss aid. Some short-term studies have shown that consuming apple cider vinegar may help you eat fewer calories, lose weight and reduce belly fat. 3. To preserve food. Just like other types of vinegar, apple cider vinegar is an effective preservative. In fact, people have used vinegar as a pickling agent to preserve foods for thousands of years. 4. As a deodorizer. Apple cider vinegar can eliminate bad smells. This makes a natural alternative to odor neutralizers. 5. To make a salad vinaigrette. One easy way to use apple cider vinegar is to make a simple salad dressing. 6. To lower the risk of cancer. It's often claimed that apple cider vinegar can help lower your risk of cancer. In test tube studies, vinegar has been shown to kill cancer cells. Overall, there is insufficient evidence to make any claims regarding the effects of apple cider vinegar on the risk of cancer. 7. To make an all-purpose cleaner. Apple cider vinegar is a natural alternative to commercial cleaning agents. This is because of its antibacterial properties. Mix 1 cup of water with half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and you'll have a natural all-purpose cleaner. Please note, they aren't as effective at killing harmful bacteria as commercial cleaning agents. 8. To soothe a sore throat. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy for sore throats. The antibacterial properties could help kill off the bacteria that could be causing the problem. If you try this at home, make sure you mix the vinegar with water before gargling. 9. As a facial toner. Anecdotally, apple cider vinegar is claimed to help remedy skin conditions and reduce the signs of aging. The general recipe is 1 part apple cider vinegar to 2 parts water. This is then applied to the skin using a cotton pad. However, if you have sensitive skin, you may want to make a more diluted solution. 10. To attract and trap fruit flies and gnats. Interestingly, it's really easy to use apple cider vinegar to make a cheap fruit fly trap. Simply pour some apple cider vinegar into a cup, add a few drops of dish soap so that any trapped flies sink, and you're good to go. 11. To boil better eggs. Using 1 teaspoon of vinegar when boiling eggs can also speed up the coagulation, or clotting, of the egg whites. This can be useful if the shell cracks while the egg is being boiled. 12. As a marinade. Another way to use apple cider vinegar when cooking is to make a marinade. In fact, apple cider vinegar is a popular ingredient in many steak marinades, as it can tenderize and it gives the meat a nice sweet and sour flavor. Combine it with wine, garlic, soy sauce, onion and cayenne pepper to give your steak a delicious flavor. 13. To wash fruits and vegetables. Pesticide residue and bacteria on fruits and vegetables can be a concern for many people. Apple cider vinegar will remove more pesticides than simply washing with water. It may help kill any dangerous bacteria on food. Washing foods in vinegar has been shown to remove dangerous bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. 14. To clean dentures. You can also use apple cider vinegar to clean dentures. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 1 table baking soda with water. 15. In the bath. For the same reasons people like using apple cider vinegar as a homemade facial toner, they also like using it in the bath. If you want to try it, add 1 to 2 cups of apple cider vinegar to your bath water and enjoy a soak in your tub. 16. As a hair rinse. An apple cider vinegar hair rinse is said to remove product buildup, detangle and add shine to your hair. Try mixing 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part water and pour the mixture over your hair. Leave it in for a few minutes before washing it out. 17. As a dandruff treatment, massaging diluted apple cider vinegar into your scalp may help get rid of dandruff. The acid in the vinegar could help stop the growth of the fungus Malassezia, which may contribute to dandruff. 18. In a sauce, apple cider vinegar can be a great ingredient for a tangy sauce for your food. Try adding it to tomato-based sauces to give them a fuller flavor. 19. In soup, adding vinegar to soup can help bring its flavors to life. 20. As a weed killer, another great use for apple cider vinegar is as a homemade weed killer. Spray undiluted vinegar on unwanted weeds in your garden to get rid of them. 21. In homemade cakes and candies, apple cider vinegar is a popular flavor and texture enhancer in baking, especially when making vegan treats that can't include eggs. 23. As a mouthwash, apple cider vinegar is often said to be a useful alternative to commercial mouthwashes. Its antibacterial properties may help with bad breath, although there aren't any studies examining how effective it is. If you try this, make sure you dilute it well with water, as the acidity of the vinegar could damage your teeth. 24. To clean your toothbrush. To have really clean teeth, it's worth considering how clean your toothbrush is. To make your own toothbrush cleaner, mix half a cup 120 milliliters of water with 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons of baking soda and let toothbrush soak. 25. To whiten teeth, apple cider vinegar is acidic, so some people like to use it to remove stains and whiten their teeth. To try this, rub a small amount of apple cider vinegar onto your teeth with a cotton swab. The results aren't instant, but repeated use could remove stains over time. Be sure to rinse well, acid can damage the enamel on your teeth. 26. To treat acne, dabbing small amounts of diluted apple cider vinegar onto pimples is claimed to be a good way to get rid of them. However, undiluted apple cider vinegar is strongly acidic for skin. 27. To get rid of warts. As with acne, apple cider vinegar is claimed to be a natural agent for getting rid of warts. It's likely effective for removing warts from skin due to its acidic nature. 28. As a natural deodorant, wiping your underarms with diluted apple cider vinegar is said to be a homemade alternative to commercially produced deodorants. 29. As a dish detergent, rinsing your dishes in apple cider vinegar could help kill off any unwanted bacteria and keep them clean. 30. To get rid of fleas, washing your pet by adding apple cider vinegar may help prevent your pet from getting fleas. It's thought that spraying a mixture of 1 part water and 1 part apple cider vinegar onto your pet will create an environment that fleas won't want to hang around in. Thank you for watching. We have provided a link to more helpful and useful information in the description. Please hit like, smash subscribe and ring the bell for instant notifications.